Nearly 40 years after their debut at Le Mans, the GT was introduced in 2002, and it wasn't just a modern supercar, it was a statement. Showing just over 2,000 miles on the odometer and a single-owner car from new, this is exactly the type of example collectors hope to find. Finished in Centennial White with blue stripes, this car was ordered with all 4 options from the factory. It's a remarkably original example, and today it is offered with its original window sticker, manuals, car cover, and sales literature. This example represents the GT in its purest, most honest form. As supercars have become increasingly more digital, the GT is celebrated for its motorsport heritage and analog feel. Low-mileage, single-owner examples such as this have become increasingly sought after as the GT's reputation continues to grow.